Hey guys, welcome back. So I did a poll on Instagram whether you guys want a Black Friday sale haul, and most of you guys said yes. So here I am with this video. And हमने बहुत सारी शॉपिंग करी है, तो दिस वीडियो इज गोना बी अ शॉर्ट वीडियो. एंड हम जल्दी जल्दी आपको दिखाएंगे कि प्रोडक्ट की MRP क्या थी और हमें सेल पे क्या मिला. एंड इट्स अ ट्राई ऑन हॉल. वी आर गोना शो यू एंड ट्राई इट ऑल्सो.
एंड अभी भी बहुत सारे ब्लैक फ्राइडे के ऑफर्स चल रहे हैं बहुत सारे स्टोर्स में, जो कि ब्लैक फ्राइडे वीकेंड के ऑफर्स हैं, तो आप उनको जाके चेक कर सकते हो.
इसलिए हमने ये वीडियो अभी बनाई है ताकि आप आज और कल जाके भी शॉपिंग कर
और
पाओ.
आपको बहुत सारा फ़ायदा हो.
यस, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट.
या
सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज
ज़ारा.
Zara पे 40% ऑफ था ऑन आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट.
या
So I have bought these jeans like this. So I got this. The price, the MRP price is 2590, which is approx 2600.
या
And I got this for I think 1600, which is 1000 off.
and as we all know, lavender is the new black, so a lavender sweatshirt. It is very comfy and cozy, and I mean आगे तो सर्दियाँ आ गई हैं, so why not. इसकी MRP थी, I mean ये 990 की ही थी सिर्फ, इस पर कुछ ऑफर वगैरह नहीं था, बट ये हाँ ये 990 की ही थी.
So next guys, from Zara we got this coat.
Yeah.
Long coat. Like this is like I wanted this from so long. I just love this color. This. So MRP is 3000 and we got this for I think
1800.
1800.
हाँ,
Yes,
yeah.
1700. Zara is done. Now we'll go on to H&M. So H&M में there was a deal of
20% off.
20% on everything.
Yeah.
अभी I think 50% हो गया है on selected items. But we got it for 20%. And we got a lot of things. So this is a top which I got from H&M. I just love this and I'm gonna wear this so soon. इसके ऊपर like सर्दियों में you can pair a denim jacket. Price is 1500 and I got this for 20% off. सब कुछ 20% off.
Yes, so next is like the next item from H&M is this. This is like a hoodie.
And we got this from the kids section. I've seen a lot of vlogs जिसके अंदर shopping vlogs of H&M जिसके अंदर लोग kids section से buy करते हैं.
Yeah, we bought these.
So there was an offer in the kids section जिसके अंदर it was like buy 3 and you will get 1 free.
A 3 for 2 offer.
So we got 3 of them and ये तीनों ही हम दोनों को fit आ गए.
Yeah.
हमने check कर लिया था.
Yeah, we
So
tried
got
and
3.
we
And
got
one
lucky.
more thing, हमने we got this deal and then उसके ऊपर हमें 20% off और मिला.
Yeah.
So सबसे पहले is this.
And उसके बाद this is, इसमें हुडी नहीं है. Next is this. This is a hoodie. All these sweatshirts retail for 1300.
So guys, the next thing that we bought from H&M is this. This is a woolen top
Yeah.
and I just love the design. It's like this and like this. And this is really warm. So the price is 1500 and then again 20% off.
The next thing is like my favorite. I don't know why, but This is like a very basic white tee which has this to all the boys I've loved before. This is like a limited version of Netflix into H&M, to all the boys I've loved before into H&M, and I love the detailing on the sleeves. And the price, yeah, it was officially for $6.99 and I got for $3.99.
Next thing is this socks. We got this from H&M.
Yeah.
And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair that we got for 600 rupees only. So guys, the next thing is this. This is a waist bag that I got from H&M. I wanted this from so long, and the price is 1500 again and then 20% off. So guys, if you're wondering where we shopped from, we went to Vasant Kunj, Ambience Mall and DLF.
Yeah.
So the next thing is Shoppers Stop. I got this jacket. This is the black jacket that I got from Shoppers Stop. So I got this from Life, which is a brand on Shoppers Stop, and I got this for 1000 rupees only.
So next I bought this kurti from Shoppers Stop. I absolutely love the color and the detailing on this kurti, and it is a long straight kurti for $9.99 and I got it just for $4.99. And one more thing that is great about this kurti is that it has pockets.
Nice. And I also got a kurti just for 500 rupees again, the same deal. This is the kurti. This is a A-line kurti, like it is tight from here and then there's a fall. And may I have this, and I will surely pair this with a white leggings, and I can also pair this with jeans and make it a boho look. So guys, the next thing is this. My mom got this. These are Baileys.
They're like beige in color.
Yes.
They're very comfortable.
They are very comfortable. My mom just loved this.
Yeah.
And the price is 3500 and she got it for 1750, I think.
Yeah, 1750.
Something around 1700. And we got this for 50% off, so you can buy more things. Like there were heels and there were many more things that you can buy.
From Central are these Puma slip-on sports shoes, which is like this burgundy color, and again they're very, very, very comfortable. And we got this for, and they were for 3799 and we got them for 2279. You can wear these in like gym also. I asked the person there. They said that you can wear these in gym also, and they're very comfortable. Bye guys.
Hope you guys like this video.
And if you want more such haul videos, comment down below.
And we're gonna bring more such videos for you soon.
Yeah.
And just go and buy, shop.
And Black Friday is a very good time to shop. Jaldi jaldi jao, shopping karke rao. Bye.